Every week at TKS for 10 months, we talk about a mindset.
So many people.
In the city, remember you used to drive me unicorn.
And we pair that mindset with knowledge and skills.
In the parking lot in Tucson,
Hi, my name is Zen Walka, and throughout my time at TKS, I've been focused on developing artificial intelligence.
And I know through this, I just started because I had a few questions about my condition, but it eventually spiraled into something much bigger. It's what drives my passion to look into RA treatment for the future.
Topic is to just not be afraid to share what you're working on. So me personally, I started a monthly newsletter that I posted on Substack. And what this helped me do was that I was able to share my work, clarify and reflect on my own thinking, and also help others find me.
I wanted to take the knowledge I gained and really build something impactful. And that brought me to quantum computing. I went all in on quantum computing during my time here at TKS, and I built a wide range of things, from quantum neural networks to really advanced particle physics simulations.
For a ship to change its direction, it needs to start sailing first. But when I came to TKS, that's exactly what I did. I started learning and exploring.
Alright, last 60 seconds. We're gonna get started shortly.
I'm not just doing project for the sake of building a project. I'm building a project for the sake of moving humanity forward and make the world a better place.
What is your view looking forward with AI? Is it doom? Is it gloom? Or are we looking at possibly a really bright future?
I was actually pretty depressed for 6 months for the kids. Get them to be part of the process, because that is the hardest thing in business. Is you can build the greatest thing, but if they have something that they've been using for 10 years, you're not going to get buy-in. You want buy-in. You want people to feel ownership.
Do you guys want to come and demo it with us? You guys want to control his arm? Any volunteer?
Such a... Find your own voice, and you're probably going to have multiple songs to sing throughout your whole life.
One of the biggest things I've learned at TKS is to reflect deeply.
If you learn the skill of learning, anything is possible. As you hear the rest of them, they didn't come into TKS being like, this is exactly what I want to do with my free time.
I realized that TKS isn't something you just graduate from. It's something that backs you long after you finish with the program.